Friends and family gathered in their numbers in order to pay their final respect to rapper Takeoff at his funeral service. Hi again and welcome. This is Links WSM TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Change the culture of music forever. You did that, Tate. You changed that flow. That flow came from Tate, the originator. The originator of that flow. You changed the music business. Lord, give us the strength. Just give us the strength, the family, everybody, give us the strength. I don't want to question you, God, but I don't get it. I don't get you sometimes. And I believe in you, Father, but
forever balanced. Whenever he would take his shades off, he had this thing about him that I love. No matter what was going on around us, he was like always kind of squinting, but like his eyes were wide open.
The shit hit me a little different. When I moved from Ohio, I came to Atlanta. And, the north side is where I reside at. Predominantly my whole life living in the A. Gwinnett County for me. It's a real shit. And the reason why I'm really crying, and I know y'all niggas ain't really never seen me do this shit unless I'm in a movie or something, but the last time I saw Take was about 6 weeks ago in this building, in the same dressing room that I'm in right now. And we had a good time. We went to Magic City, we fucked it up. I ain't gonna front, we fucked it up. But before that, when we was in that same room, that's my dressing room tonight, the nigga said these words to me. He said, "Hey yo, Quay, come here, man. Tell this nigga Bow Wow, man, like you had the whole north side fucked up, man. Like we grew our hair and shit because this nigga, man. Bow Wow was the first nigga to do this shit, man. We grew our shit. We started rapping because of you, nigga." These was the words this nigga said to me in front of my face in this same building. So while he was giving me my flowers, I feel like since we home in Atlanta, it's only right. While you looking down at us, 5 weeks ago, nigga, we was in this same building for Kevin Hart's show. Nigga, if you think I wasn't gonna come back in this bitch and turn up for you, my nigga, you out your mother, my.
A large crowd gathered at the funeral service for rapper Takeoff at the Atlanta State Farm Arena on November 11, 2022. Fans and celebrities came out in order to celebrate the life of Takeoff at his memorial service hosted in Atlanta, where Drake, Cardi B and many other stars came out in attendance. Rapper Takeoff was aged 28 years old when he lost his life in Houston, Texas on November 1st. He was best known as a member of the rap trio Migos, which features family friend Quavo and Offset. A celebration of his life was hosted at State Farm Arena in Atlanta, Georgia. Takeoff funeral service was attended by 21,000 people, including a number of celebrities who paid tribute to the rapper. The celebration of the life of Takeoff had a no phone and strict photograph policy, so we don't have a full video of the actual funeral service. Cardi B then gave an emotional post on her social media account, which we're about to leave you with. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Thanks for watching.
Takeoff, your untimely passing has brought a great deal of pain and sorrow to so many lives. The impact you had in this world was so considerable, and we have struggled to grasp this tragedy. I am heartbroken, but I am grateful for all the precious memories we got to share while you were here with us. This has truly been a nightmare, and the pain is incomparable. The emptiness your brothers are feeling is unbearable, and I pray that you give Offset, Quavo, and your friends and family the strength to keep going as they are trying to cope with this loss. I believe that angels send signs and beautiful dreams to loved ones to assure them that they're watching them and they're okay and happy. Send your mom some of those. As a Migos fan, it hurts me to look at pictures and videos of y'all together, and hearing y'all songs that changed the music industry and moved the culture and had the clubs lit. It hurts because I know it will never be the same again, but I know your brothers and y'all fans will make sure the world never forgets the impact you made. I will remember your remarkable talent and your dopest personality. I pray that you are at peace and in paradise because you deserve every bit of it. I know God opened the heavenly gates for you with a warm embrace. Rest in power, Takeoff. I will also love you 4 liters and after.